Hello children, nice to meet you again in your Maths online class. Now let us see the continuation of the previous class. Okay children, listen carefully. Now let us recall about Roman symbols. Okay, so listen carefully. We already know that we have 7 basic symbols in Roman numerals. Those are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay, here I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Okay, and also we have 1 to 10 numbers here. 1 means I, 2 means I, 3 means I, 3 times I, okay, that means 3. 4 means IV, 5 means B, 6 means BI, 7 means BII, 8 means BII, 9 means IX, 10 means X. Okay, by using these symbols, now we are going to convert Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Okay, now all of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date. Okay, in exercise 2.1, sixth question. Okay children, all of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date. Okay, in exercise 2.1, sixth question. Write the Roman numerals for the following. Write the Roman numerals for the following. The first one, 1556. Children listen, afterwards I will give the time, okay, that time you write. Now all of you look at the board, your question, write the Roman numerals for the following. Okay children, your question is given Hindu Arabic numbers. Yes children, 1556 is the Hindu Arabic number. Now we convert into Roman numerals. Okay, so all of you listen, 1556. 1556 can be written as 1000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 6. Okay, நம்மளுக்கு நம்பர்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, நம்ம அதை என்ன செய்யணும், ரோமன் நியூமரல்ஸ்ல கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ 1556 நம்ம எப்படி டிவைட் பண்ணலாம், எப்படி எக்ஸ்பெண்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல எழுதலாம், 1000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 6. Okay, now 1000 stands for, thousands means M. Okay, thousands means M. Next to 500, 500 means D. Okay, D. 50 means L. 6 means here. Okay, BI. So BI. So 1556 means M, D, L, BI. Okay children, clear? நல்லா கவனி, 1556 நம்ம எப்படி எக்ஸ்பெண்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல எழுதலாம், 1000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 6. Yes children, total 1556. Now thousands means M. Already we know the symbols. Yes children, same, thousands means M, 500 means D, 50 means L, 6 means BI. Okay, so that's why M, D, L, BI. So M, D, L, BI stands for 1556. Okay, and next question, 1483. Okay, 1483. Now you say 1483 can be written as 1000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 3. Yes children, 1000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 3 is equal to 1483. Okay. Now you say thousands means m. Okay. Thousands means m. So m 400. Here no valid. Yes, 400. So you only want to find. So 400 means 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. Yes, children. 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. So how will you write in Roman numerals? 500 stands for D. Here subtraction is going on. So that is a C. That is 100 stands for C. C is written before the large number. Okay, that's why it is to be subtracted. So C is written before the large number. Here D stands for 500, C stands for 100. So C is written before the large number. That's why it is to be subtracted. Now 500 minus 100 is equal to, your answer is 400. So 400 means CD. Okay, 400 means CD. Next 80. 80 can be written as 50 plus 30. Yes, children. 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. 50 means L. Okay. So L. 30 means 3 times X. Yes, children. X stands for 10. But we need 30. So X. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to, your answer is 30. So L. X. So L. X stands for 80. So 80 means L, X. Okay, 80 finish. Now 3 means 3 times I. Okay, I. So 1483 means M, CD, L, X, I. Okay, children, are you clear? நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்க. 1483 நம்ம எப்படி எக்ஸ்போனன்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல எழுதலாம்? 1000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 3. Okay. Here thousands means M. M stands for thousands. Okay. Next we want 400. Yes, children. 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. Okay. So here subtract from 500. Okay. 500 to 100. Okay. So that's why C is written before D. So that's why 400 means CD. Okay. So 400 means CD. Next we have to find 80. Okay. 80 can be written as 50 plus 30. 50 already we know. So that is 50 means L. Okay. L. 30 means 3 times X will come. Okay. X plus X plus X. That's why 80 means L, X. So 80 means L, X. Now we have to find 3. So 3 means 3 times I. So 4483 means M, CD, L, X, I. Okay, children, are you clear? Do you understand, children? It's so easy. Yes. Okay. Now all of you write it in your classwork note. Take your classwork note and write today's day and date. And write the heading exercise 2.1 sixth question. Okay. So continue your writing. Don't leave any page. Okay. Do it. Exercise 2.1 sixth question. Write the Roman numerals for the following. Okay. The first one A, 1556. Do it fast. So rough work area, you do this rough value. Okay. You write it in rough work area. Okay, children. These are rough work. So write it in rough work area. Write neatly. First question A, 1556. So 1556 equal to 1000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 6. Okay. That means M, DL, BI. Next question B, 1483. 1483 can be written as 1000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 3. Okay. So that means thousands means M, 400 means CD, 80 means L, X, 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 3 means 3 times I. Okay children? Do you understand? Have you finished? Write fast. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Okay. The next question. $1,849. Okay. 1,849. So 1,849 can be written as 1,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 9. Okay children? 1,849 can be written as 1,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 9. Okay. Here 1,000 stands for M. Okay. 1,000 stands for M. Next to find 800. Okay. 800 can be written as, how will you write? 800 can be written as 500 plus 300. Okay children? 500 plus 300. Here 500 means D. Okay. So D. Next we have to add 300. So here 100 stands for C. So 300 means 3 times C. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. Okay. So that's why C, C, C. So 800 means D, C, C, C. Okay. So 800 means D, C, C, C. Okay. That is means 800 plus 40. 40. So 40 can be written as 50 minus 10. Okay. So that's why 50 stands for L. But here we have to subtract. Yes children. So X can be written as before the large number. That means XL. So 40 means XL. Okay. XL. Sorry. XL. Next 9. 9 means already we have no. Yes. IX. IX. So MD. CCC XL IX. That means 1,849. Okay children. So 1,849 means MD CCC XL IX. Okay. The next one. 2,942. 2,942. Okay. 2,942 can be written as 2,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 2. Okay children. Here 2,000. So 1,000 stands for M. So 2,000 means M 2 times. Okay. M 1,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 2,000. Here M stands for 1,000. So that's why your answer is M. 2,000 means M. Now we have to find 900. Okay, so 900 can be written as 1000 minus 100. Okay children, 900 can be written as thousands minus 100. So here thousands means m, here it is subtraction is going on. Yes, so that's why x, c is written before m. Okay, so here c will come. Now cm means 900, so 900 stands for cm. Okay, நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க. நம்மளுக்கு 900 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 1000 minus 100 ன்னு எழுதலாம். இங்க மைனஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால இந்த 100 எங்க இருக்கும்? 1000 க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கும். சரியா? So that's why 100 stands for c, d stands for 500, m stands for 1000. So cm means 900. Okay, clear children? Yes, that is 2000 finished, 900 also finished. Now we have to find 40. Yes, so 40 means 50 minus 10. Okay, 50 minus 10. So here 50 is L, x is 10. Here subtraction is going on. So x is written before the value 50. Yes children. So XL. So 40 means XL. Okay, 40 means XL. Now 2 means 2 times I. So MM, CM, XL, II. This is stands for 2942. Okay children, clear? Yes? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. C and D. Okay, these are rough work area, so write it in rough work. Okay, this is C part rough work and this is D part rough work. Okay, here 800 means DCC like this. Okay, do it in your these two boxes, write in rough work area. Okay children, this is the main problem. Write neatly children. உனக்கு பாக்ஸுக்குள்ள எழுதி இருக்குது 800 நம்ம எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் பாக்ஸுக்குள்ள எழுதி இருக்கு. சரியா? அதை ரஃப் ஒர்க்ல எழுதிக்க. 800 எப்படி எழுதி எப்படி உன்னோட ரோமன் நியூமரலா எழுதலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது. அதே மாதிரி தான் 40யும் 900ம் அப்படிதான். Don't confuse it. Okay? Have you finished? The next sum. $2,947. Okay, 2,947. $2,947 can be written as 2,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 7. Okay children, 2,947 can be written as 2000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 7. Okay, here 2000 means M. Okay, why? M stands for 1000, so MM stands for 2000. Okay, M plus M, 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 2000, so that's why 2000 means MM. Okay, next we have to find 900. 900 can be written as 1000 minus 100. Okay children, so here thousands means M, here subtraction is there, so that's why C is written before the large number. Okay, so your large number is m, so c is written before the large number, that is 900. So 900 means cm. Okay, so 900 means cm. Next 40 means it can be written as 50 minus 10. Okay, 50 stands for L and X stands for 10. So that's why X is written before the large number. Okay children, so it is to be subtracted. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So 40 means XL. Okay, 40 means XL. So 2000 finish, 900 finish, 40 also finished. Okay, now we have to find 7. So 7 means BII. Okay, so MM, CM, XL, BII stands for 2947. Okay children, are you clear? Yes, write it in the classwork note. Okay, E part, that is the E question, 2947. Okay, write it in your classwork note. This is the rough work. Okay children, do it. Write fast. Write neatly, okay, and write carefully. So once your question answer is completed, you draw a line, okay, using scale. Okay children, write neatly. I am saying again and again, write accurately. Okay, the shape of the letters are very important, so write accurately. Okay, write it. Have you finished? Next question. In exercise 2.1, 7th one, okay. Solve and give your answer in Roman numerals. Children, all of you listen. All of you look at the board. See your question. Solve and give your answer in Roman numerals. Okay. Your problem is L X X X B I minus L X X. Okay. Here in questions are given in Roman numerals. Okay. First of all, we have to find the value of LXXXBI minus LXX. Okay. Yes children, நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்க. உன்னோட கொஸ்டின் எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாரு, ரோமன் நியூமரல்ஸ்ல கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. சரியா? ஸோ அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன செய்யணும், இதோட வேல்யூ, இந்த ரோமன் நியூமரலோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி இதோட ரோமன் நியூமரலோட வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிச்சு ரெண்டையும் என்ன செய்யணும், சப் பண்ணிட்டு வர்ற ஆன்சரை திருப்பியும் நம்ம என்னவா மாற்றணும், Roman numerals are convert பண்ணணும். Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of Hindu Arabic number. Okay, in LXXXVI. Okay, so LXXXVI, what is the value? You write in Hindu Arabic number. Okay, you convert to Hindu Arabic number. Okay children, so L stands for 50. Okay, now we will divide L 3 times X and VI. Okay children, L stands for 50. Okay, so 50 plus x stands for 30. Here that is x means 10. So x means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Okay, 30 plus vi means 6. Okay children, so LXXX vi means 86. 50 plus 30 80, 80 plus 6 86. Okay, நல்லா கவனிச்சியா? LXX vi யோட வேல்யூ என்னது நமக்கு 86. சரியா? இப்போ நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? LXX ஓட வேல்யூ. ஓகே, LXX given in Roman numerals. Okay, now we have to find in Hindu Arabic number. Okay children, L. Now you divide L and XX. Okay, here L stands for 50 plus XX means x stands for 10. Here 2 times x, so 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Okay, so that's why 50 plus 20 equal to 70. Okay children, நல்லா கவனி. இப்போ நமக்கு வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. சரியா? LXXX vi னா என்னது நமக்கு வேல்யூ 86. அதே மாதிரி LXX ஓட வேல்யூ 70. Okay, now you subtract. Here minus sign is there, so that's why subtract 70 from 86. Okay children, this value is 86, this value is 70. Okay, now we have to find the value of LXX vi. Okay, minus LXX is equal to this value. What is the value of LXXX vi? 86. Okay, 86 minus what is the value of LXX? 70. Okay, so 86 minus 70, how much? 86 minus 70, 6, 1. Your answer is 16. Okay children, are you clear? நல்லா கவனி. உனக்கு ஒரு क्वेश्चन கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. எதுல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? ரோமன் நியூமரல்ஸ்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன செய்ய போறோம்? ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். ஓகே, சால்வ். So first of all convert into Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay children, so LXXX vi means 86. Okay, next we have to find the value of LXX. Okay, so LXX the value is 70. Okay, now you subtract 86 minus 70 is equal to 16. Okay, now you see the question, solve and give your answer in Roman numerals, but your answer is in Hindu Arabic number. Yes children, now you convert into Roman numerals. Okay, so 16 can be written as 10 plus 16. Yes children, so 16 means 10 means x, 6 means bi, so 16 means x bi. Okay, are you clear? Yes children, listen all of you, one more time I will explain. Your question is solve and give your answer in Roman numerals. Okay, your question LXXX vi minus LXX. Okay, first of all you convert into Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay children, so LXXX vi means 86. Next LXX means 70. Okay, now we have to subtract. Okay, so 86 minus 70 is equal to, your answer is 16. Now you convert into Roman numerals. Okay, why? In your question given your answer in Roman numerals, that's why you convert into Roman numerals. Okay, so that's why 16 means XVI. Okay, are you clear? Yes, now write it in the classwork note. Do it. क्वेश्चन ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான். என்ன செய்யணும்? கொடுத்திருக்க क्वेश्चனை ஹிந்து அரபிக் நம்பருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு வர்ற ஆன்சரை அடுத்தல ரோமன் நியூமரலுக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். அவ்வளவுதான். Okay? Write fast. Okay, children, next question. MMCCLV plus CLXII. Okay. So now we have to find the value of MMCCLV plus CLXII. Okay. Now first of all we have convert into Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, children? Yes. So now first one MMCCLV. Okay. Now you divide. So 2 times M. Okay. So that is one number. 2 times C. That's one number. LB. Okay, children? Now MM means M stands for 1000. So MM means 1000 plus 1000. So MM stands for 2000. Okay. Plus next CC. C stands for 100. So CC means 100 plus 100, 200. Okay. So that's why, what's the meaning of CC? 200. Plus L. L stands for 50. B stands for 5. Okay. Your class B stands for 5. Now the total answer 2200 plus 50 plus 5. How much? 2255. Okay. So MMCCLV stands for 2255. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes? Yes. Now we have to find the value of CLXII. Okay. Now you convert into Roman numerals. So now you divide it. CL. So CL separate. This XII separate. Okay. C stands for 100. L stands for 50. XII means this is 10. 10 plus 2. Okay. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Otherwise 10 also one number. 2 times I. Okay, children. So 10 plus 2. Now what's your answer? 100 plus 50. 150 plus 60. 160 plus 2. So your answer is 162. Okay. Yes, children. So MMCALV stands for 2255. CLXII stands for 162. Okay. Now we have to add. Why? Your question is in find the sum only. Okay. So MMCCLV plus CLXII is equal to 2255 plus 162. Okay. Now you have to add 2255 plus 162. How much your answer? 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. So 1 carry. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. next 2. So your answer is 2417. Okay children, your answer is 2417. Now again you convert into Roman numerals. Okay children, your question is solve and give your answer in Roman numerals. Okay, that's why again you convert into Roman numerals. 2417. So 2470 can be written as 2000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 17. Okay, 17. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you say 2000 means M stands for 1000. So 2000 means 2 times M. Okay, M. 1000 plus M, 1000 is equal to 2000 plus 400. 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. Okay, 500 stands for D, C stands for 100. It is subtraction. So that's why C is written before D. Okay, so 400 means CD. Okay, CD. Next 10. 10 all of you know. 10 means X. 7 means BII. Okay, so 2417 stands for MM, CD, X, BII. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. Write neatly children. Write fast. At the same time, write neatly. Okay. ஏதாவது தப்பு வந்துச்சுன்னா எரேசர் வச்சு அழிச்சிட்டு திருப்பி எழுது. அதுக்கு மேலேயே பென்சிலை வச்சு அடிச்சிட்டு எழுதாத. Have you finished? Now the next question. All of you look at the board, see your question. MCM XL IV minus CXL BII. Okay. So now you convert into Roman numerals. Okay. Sorry, Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay children. So first Roman numerals is MCM XLIB. Okay. Now convert into Hindu Arabic numbers. So now you divide MCM. Okay. MCM XLIB. Okay children. Now M stands for 1000. So M stands for 1000. CM stands for, the M stands for 1000 and C is written before the large number. So it is to be subtracted. Okay. Here C is 100. So 1000 minus 100 is equal to, your answer is 900. So CM stands for 900 plus XL. Okay, XL. Here L stands for 50. X is written before the large number, that is 10. Okay, so it is to be subtracted. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Okay children, so XL stands for 40, CM stands for 900, XL stands for 40. 40 plus IV. IV stands for 4. So MCM XL IV stands for 1944. Okay, MCM XL IV stands for 1944. Okay, now next to find CXL BII. Okay, so now you convert into Hindu Arabic number. Okay, so C, now you divide CXL BII. Okay, C stands for 100, so 100 plus XL stands for, already we have no, yes, XL stands for 40. Okay, 40 plus BII. BII stands for 7. Okay, so your answer is 100 plus 40 plus 7, 147. Okay, now we subtract MCMX LIV minus CXL BII. Okay, equal to, first number is 1944 minus 147. Okay, now you subtract 1944 minus 147. Okay, 4 minus 7 is impossible, so you go to borrow. Okay, so now you get borrow. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Now 3 here, 3 minus 4 is not possible, so you come here next place. Here 9 is there, so we get 1 borrow. So here 8, here 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Here 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Here 1. So your answer is 1797. Okay, 1797. So your answer is 1797. Now again you convert into Roman numerals. Okay children, Roman numerals. So 1797 can be written as 1000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 7. Okay, so 1000 stands for M. So M. 700 here not there. Yes, so we have to find 700. 700 can be written as, say, 700 can be written as 500 plus 200. Okay children, here 500 stands for D. Okay, D. 200 means 2 times C. Okay, 100 plus 100. So that's why CC. So 700 means DCC. Okay, clear? Yes. Next we have to find 90. Okay, 90 can be written as 50 plus, sorry, 100 minus 10. Yes, yes, 100 minus 10. Here 100 means C, 10 means X. Okay, here subtraction is there, so X is written before the large number, that means 100. Okay, so XC. So 90 means XC plus 7. 7 means BII. Okay, so 1797 stands for MDCC XCBII. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. This is the rough work. Okay. Yes. Write neatly children. Do it fast. Have you finished? Then your homework. Page number 20. Question number 7. Okay. In question number 7, D and C and E. And question number, first question is 7, B, D and F. So these are homework. Do in homework notes. Okay, children? So all of you listen. Your homework is page number 20, question number 6. Okay. In page number 20, question number 6, C and E. Okay. And question number 7, B, D, F. Okay. This homework do in your homework note. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes. Now we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.